Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so tired right now, but oh my god. Now I have to do my calculus homework, so hey guys, I just came back from school. Now, wait, I think I have to eat some cookies. Alright, and I got all of my stuff. I bought all of this from Shein. It is really hard to open the vinyl. Wow, there's so a lot of clothes in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, I bought 8 items on Shein. First one is this one. Oh, this is so cute. This clothing brand is one of my favorites. It's really cute. Oh my god. Next one is kind of like normal. I love New York. This is so cute. Next one is a pink checkered pants. This is kind of great. This is not bad. And next one is this one. This one is so cute. They're cherry on here. Next one is, alright, I think it's kind of big for me. Anyway, so this is jeans. And next one is, actually I really wanted to buy some pink one, but I didn't buy it. And this is the next one. This is for summer. And this is the last one. This is also for summer. This look like this. And there is scarf. Every size is very good on me. Right, I guess so. Hey guys, I just got my new Stanley. Oh my god. This is sizzling pink. This is my annual plan on writing my common essay based on this schedule. Hey guys, I just came back from school. Now I have to eat my dinner. New school year has just begun. I'm tired. Let's see. I did my haircut. How do you think about my new hair? Do you guys know about this chicken? This is really great, but I have only 2 pieces left. Actually, in Korea, the new school year begins on March, so I'm very tired and I'm kind of sleepy, but I have to do a lot of things because I have to study for SAT and TOEFL, so I'm so busy. Anyway, I'm gonna be fine, so I don't care. I'm a big fan of baseballs. especially this is KBO, like Korean baseball, so I'm just waiting for the opening games. After finish dinner, I have to do my math homeworks and SAT tests and TOEFL like practice tests. I am so busy. I have a Dubai chocolate on it in the refrigerator, so I think maybe I can eat that after the meal. After tomorrow, it's gonna be the weekend. In Korea, we call 12th grade as 고3. Korean 고3s have to do a lot of things during the weekends. Yeah, anyway, it's better than the school days. Now I'm going to remove my makeup, so let's just do it. For first, I have to tie my hair. Let's just remove my makeup, so let's go. I just removed my eye makeup.